Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing one right here, and basically what these are some air freshener cones. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and basically for the one that we got right here, it comes with a set of like 12 of them I believe. But if you guys don't want this much and you probably want like only 3 or 2 or 1 or whatever, they definitely have these available in different sets. Some has more and some has less, so I'm actually open this up to show you guys which one I got today. Alright, so you can see we actually open up right here. This is the one that I got right here. So the scent that I got right here is called After the Rain. But definitely right off the bat, once we actually open the package right here, you can definitely smell the scent on here. It actually smells really, really nice. I actually reviewed another one in the past before, and I believe that one was like a lavender scent. And that one's been working really, really well. But I wanted to try like a different scent. That is why I actually got this one right here. So since all these are the same thing, let me just take out one of them to show you guys how to use it and what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So basically in each one of these sets right here, it comes with 3 of them right here. But like I mentioned, for the one that I got right here, it comes with 12 of them. So that way I have more than enough to use in like different rooms and different situations or whatever. But you definitely have the option to use it in your bedroom, bathroom, closet, or anywhere else. So that way it actually makes the room smell a lot better. And they mentioned the material or the ingredients that they use on here is 98% natural. But this is basically what the packaging looks like here. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. When you guys slide it out, this is basically what it actually looks like right here. So they do mention for these cones right here, it should last around 3 weeks after you guys first use it. And then use it after 3 weeks, you guys can toss it. But basically you do have the option to actually twist the bottom part to actually open up that part right there. Or you can open the top part right here as well. So I should open this up to show you guys what I mean. So basically the way how you guys use it or open it is going like this. Peel this part right here. You basically want to rip this part right here. Just like that. And once you guys peel that part out, you guys can twist it. And that is basically what the inside looks like there. And literally the moment once we actually open up, you can definitely smell the scent on here. It actually smells really, really nice. And basically when you guys are done using it, or if you guys don't want to use it anymore, you can definitely close it up just like this. Then just seal it back up. Or another way that you can use it as well, just like I mentioned earlier, is the fact that you can take this part out just like this. You guys want to pull it up. And then once you guys pull it up, that's what actually looks right here. So I don't think a lot of people know that you can do this on here. People usually just open the bottom part because that's the only instruction that provided for you guys right here. But definitely have the option to open it right here if you guys want to as well. So that's a little secret if you guys don't know already. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys want to like freshen up like a room, maybe like a bathroom after you guys went on number 2. Or if you guys have like a Korean barbecue at home or something and there's a lot of odor or whatever. Definitely getting one of these will help with that as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, they obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.